Alright, here's a follow-up of our project we got going on. This is my Citizen ProMaster dive watch. In video number 1, I give you some tips on how to repaint your crown. Use 1000 grit automotive 3M sandpaper to finish it. And this is how it turned out. I like it. I like it. So I let the paint dry a few hours and buffed it down with that 1000 grit. Dry, not wet. And of course this will cure overnight and should be good to go. Using Tester's model paint, acrylic, in the semi-gloss black. Here it is. And the fluorescent orange. And in the prior video, I described what brushes I used. Took a really, really fine brush to get in there, to get that detail. So basically just went in and filled in with the paint. And then sanded it down after it dried. So, really happy with this watch. It's a good watch. They don't make these anymore. So, one of my favorite watches. Next to my skeleton. Alright. Hopefully these tips help somebody out. Over and out.